Hello everyone, this is Marcia from Markets of Sunshine, and I wanted to share with you my beautiful journal that I've made. It's a junk journal. It's available for sale in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. It has everyday moments become cherished memories. I put lace on it and a monochromatic, really pretty beige, very vintage looking with this bird and floral stencil here that I did, and then a fabric snippet here, and more lace, and another stencil here on the back, embellishment, and this binding Siri ribbon here in a very creamy color. And then on the inside, right in the center, is a little journal that I've covered, notepad. It says Dream Above the Clouds, cute little plants and flowers here, and it can be colored in. So this is a coloring page. It's made out of cardstock. And on the inside is a little notepad. It's 80 pages lined front and back. So you can color that, or you can leave it as is. And the little sleeve goes back on there. And then also the whole thing is a storybook, Alice in Wonderland, and different storybook pages. So I'll flip through it and I'll show you each one. I hand stitched this all together, and it's made from a file folder. So everything has been hand stitched, straight stitch, zigzag stitch. So this is Alice in Wonderland. As you can see, this is not the Disney Alice in Wonderland. This is an original story. So as you're reading and see the pictures, you'll see that they're different. And then a fabric bookmark that I made. Beautiful embellishments all on this as well. And it's attached here with a little clothespin. You can remove it. And then underneath are two pockets on either side. You can tuck some little treasures in there. And then the Mad Tea Party, Chapter 7. You can see Alice is small here in this big chair. And then this is from the Mr. Toad story. If you notice down here the characters, and this is the wagon. Very, very cute. I love that. And then this is the rabbit from Alice's story. And then another little pocket and a beautiful tag with a dragonfly. Forever and always is what the little thing says there. Tucks right in there. And then here is a butterfly tag and another book page that I took out, and then it says Seek Joy, and it's three-dimensional here with a bird nest there. That tucks into that little pocket. And then I covered the center here with just a floral book page with this beautiful yellow buttercup flower. And then here's another tag, Count on Me, another butterfly, and just cluster embellishments here. You can write journal onto the back of that. That slips back down into that pocket. And then as you turn the page here, here's another pocket here, and I'll be adding some more tags and goodies into that pocket. Beautiful butterfly here, another fabric bookmark here that I've embellished with layers of different scenes, little postage butterfly stamp here, and all kinds of laces and trims here. And there's another pocket here as well, and then this comes off. You can remove that and use it somewhere else if you want. And then right back in the center goes the little journal, and then you just tie it up, and you've got it anytime that you like to use. So this is available in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. And the link is below if you're watching me on YouTube, or it's in my profile on my Instagram page. And help me reach 100 subscribers, and I'm giving away a $10 credit to my Markets of Sunshine Etsy shop. And we're almost there. I think the last time I checked I had 77 subscribers, thanks to a shout out from Miss E on Scrapbooking with Me channel. She's doing an anniversary month for her and her husband, celebrating 47 years of marriage, and my husband and I are celebrating 32 years of marriage this month. So it's really exciting, and I'm pretty sure I'm close to my anniversary month on my Etsy shop that I opened in 2008. So I'd really appreciate it if you'd pop on over, and if you love this journal, there's only one like it on the planet, and I would be so happy to package it up and send it off to you, and there'll be other goodies that will be coming along with it. So I'm getting ready to launch a brand new product line to my shop, and this is going to be part of that new product line will be journals. So I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and pop over to my Etsy shop and see if there's something there that you might like. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. It really, really helps me out. Click the like button and share as well. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.